What the fuck? I mean, the intro music was good on his stream, but this is shit. All right, we're gonna get back to this one. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right, welcome everybody. Who the fuck is Roaring Kitty? There's the real fucking Roaring Kitty. Did anyone watch that stream? That was terrible. That was absolutely why is he considered to be like the guy? The guy. Jeez. Okay. Look, what beer was he even drinking as well? Like, fucking hell, right, that can come off. This is stupid. We're gonna do a normal stream. Who is in here, first of all? Who do we have? Kalechi, Cakezilla, Hemon, Coco the Clown, Shirley. Who else is here? Surely we've got a few more people. That guy had 500,000 people watching his stream. And yeah, here I am. Like, putting in all the effort and getting nobody. Nobody at all. Hi, my name is Roaring Kitty. I have a lawyer right there who's just checking everything I fucking say on these streams. Oh, am I allowed to say this? I need the glasses as well, but yeah. All right. Let's have a look. Roaring Taurus. Yes, and we've got real beer. Real beer. If you like beer, you know this is a real beer. We're on the real beer tonight. I have no lawyer in the corner watching what I'm doing. I am just here, chilling, ready to look at some fucking hell. I don't even have the charts open. Where are they? Everything's dumping thanks to that guy. Right, let me open the charts. There we go. Charts are here. Yeah. Who's in here then? He should have kept his mouth shut. He should have done. Chris, thanks for taking us out of our misery. Coco the Clown, Roaring Taurus. Yeah. There we go. Ouch. Ouch. Plaster? Anybody? On my ears. There we go. I'm going to shake them out. That green beer company should give him shares because of his sponsorship. I mean, it wasn't even green because he has the same thing as me. So if I was to put the beer here, like, oh my God, look, you can't even see it. You can't even see it. Look, just put it in front of your face, you idiot. Because the whole point of you having a green screen is so that it doesn't see the background. And if you put a beer in the background, it disappears because it's obviously not you. So put it in front of your face, then everyone can see what it is. Oh. Right. Okay, anyway. Anyway, we have some price action to discuss today. So I'm not going to stay on screen for long. I just I just don't know what I was doing with my Friday night then watching that shit. So I thought, yeah, I will. My hair, jeez. I thought I'd jump on here for a little bit. But who was here for the stream this morning? Who was here this morning for the live stream earlier on? Anybody? BTC really chopped everyone. Glad I didn't trade this. I mean, I'm short, so I did take the short position. So what did we say? What did we say we wanted to see? It was like, this was thanks to French Ball as well. Noticing that we had some really big limit sell orders up here at the top of, let me just open this part of the screen. So we had on Binance a lot of order book pressure on the offer early on. And that gave us a quite high, it's like sticky. These passes are sticky on my face. I can't even talk properly. Should I just like stick it back on my mouth? All right. Talk like this. So, so yeah, we had some pretty away. a lot of bids. Not a lot of bids. A lot of offers. Okay, so we're looking for those 72k highs to be taken, and that was like, right, if we do take those highs, really good opportunity to take a short position. What happened? It went like it just poked above. And this was only on perps as well. We haven't taken that high on spot. So this becomes very, very interesting next week because we haven't taken the high on spot yet. Everything's dumping now. This is just so stupid. So stupid. But right, the target, or basically the trade that I'm in at the moment, is short from here. I mean, basically zero risk because it poked above by like $1 and I had a limit order at the high. And then we're looking for a move down to take out these lows. We've got equal lows down here. Down here as well, we've got this 4-hour gap. Hasn't yet been tested. So when you put in a range like this, okay, there's your first red candle from within the range. Yeah. You want to go and test it at the very least before getting some kind of continuation, right? This is what we saw back here. Okay, you have a wick that gets put in, you have the test, and then you get a bounce. So if we do come down here, I'm very confident of a bounce. I would be looking for a long, and that would be a really good opportunity to, yeah, maybe look for those long positions. And as long as we're holding 69k, everything's cool. Everything's really, really cool. But if there is a short position to be had, it has been this evening or this afternoon, and it's a bit of a no-brainer, right, to just go for that short and see where that ends up. Now, I have taken profit on this when we had the first move down. This happened during non-farm payroll as well. So we had the NFP data that came out, market spiked, then immediately reversed. It was very, very similar to what we had on the NQ. Oh my God! Nasdaq's taken the highs. So once again, check it. There we go. So this makes me happy as well. I have shut down my computer. I'm not in this trade anymore, but Newswick has gone. The Newswick has gone on the NQ. That has been taken out literally within the last few minutes here. So despite the fact that Bitcoin's dumping, despite the fact that Ethereum's probably dumping, yeah, I'm about to get stopped out on this one, but that's okay. That was a bit of a weekend gamble. Nasdaq's done well. I've had some fun on the NQ. I took a couple of trades on New York Open earlier on, and we were looking for this to get taken out. And it's just given the most perfect opportunity to get into a long position. So if you had been at the charts this afternoon, just look at this, okay? So you have your open, all right? So you have your New York Open, which was, I mean, it was here, wasn't it? So you 12:30, it was here. Yeah, oh yeah, it was. It was because we were looking at this. Okay, we had to move down. We were holding this gap. All right, we were holding this gap over here on the chart, holding nicely, chill. Came up, swept the highs. At that point, I got out of my long position. I did take a long position on the NQ earlier as we had the New York Open. That was really nice. Went and took the highs. Then it was just chop. I just shut down everything at that point. But then what you're looking for is for Newsweek highs to be taken. This was a new all-time high. This was an all-time high for the NASDAQ. Okay? And it happened outside of New York trading hours. It's unlikely that that's going to stay. Like, the market is not going to like it if the NASDAQ or the ES or whatever it is puts in an all-time high outside of like their trading hours. It doesn't like that at all. And the fact that this also happened during news, we had NFP, we were bang, bang, and then we have news, very high probability that that gets taken. Now, what happens here as you come up and you confirm that this, okay, downtrend, tiny, all right, the little bit of the drop has been recovered and you're holding above where this was previously acting as support. You're just holding low. You mark up, you close above, you kind of search into the wick, you come back down, you swipe, just take out those lows, test this gap, and then it's off we go. So first take profit would have been here, second take profit would have been here. I shared this in the legacy market chat as it was happening. And yeah, there we go. That is the final target for this. So Bitcoin playing out. We want to go see this take the lows right now. Ethereum, unfortunately, I did take a long position. I am surviving by the skin of my teeth on this. Do I still have this trade open? Am I getting away with this right now? That will be interesting. This was the weekend gamble. I was not expecting myself to be at the computer right now. I have not been stopped. I have not been stopped because we have not taken out this low. So I have not been stopped. If I do get stopped, I lose $100. But for the amount I've made today, this is a 2 Ethereum position. It's right here. I can share it with y'all. It's a 2 Ethereum position. It's on a little funded account. It's a bit of fun. It's something to hold over the weekend. I have not yet been stopped because we have not taken that low. So it's only two contracts long. Hasn't worked out, but who cares, because I've made some other trades that are really nice as well. Who else is here? Who else? Let's have another sip of beer. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make you guys work for this because I should be wrapped up for the weekend and I did have plans for this evening. So I'm going to make you guys work for this. For every $1 super chat, for every $1 I get super chatted, I will have 1 sip of beer. I've got enough beer to get me through many dollars. So if anyone wants to super chat, I will have a sip of beer for every $1 that comes through the chat. You guys are my exit liquidity tonight. Literally. I will not drink unless you guys make me drink, but I would like to have a drink. So also with a super chat, right? Okay, with any super chat, $5 for a chug, that sounds reasonable. All right, if you send $5 this way, I'll have a good chug. I will do my best. If we go for like, if anyone does 100, I will down a whole beer and I'll take a shot of tequila. So if we do $100 super chat and then throw a chart in, I'll have a look at the chart. I'll down a whole beer and I'll do a super chat. Fuck YouTube. I don't care if you're not allowed to do that, but whatever. I do not have a lawyer, unlike Roaring Kitty clearly did. You could see him looking over like, oh, am I allowed to say this? Is this going to make it dump? Of course it's going to make it dump, you fucking idiot. Like, look what you've done. You've just ruined people's lives by going live. That's not even the right one. But yeah, literally ruined people's lives by going live. It's below his entry. It's gone below his entry now. So wrecked. No, it's not gone below his entry. It's almost below his entry. Lucifer, shut up. I go live and I mean I don't know if I'm entertaining. I do not know if I'm entertaining. I'm probably not. I'm just yeah. But I go live without any expectation very regularly. So now it's your job, right? Should we look at Jimmy? Kitty is a billionaire like Elon. No, he's not. I mean, because his $116 million position was opened somewhere around here, and he's not up very much. I mean, if he sold up here, he might have made some decent. He would have made some decent money, but it's highly unlikely, isn't it? That guy's still holding. And he's got a lawyer with a gun to his head. Like, if you say anything, you're fucked. He clearly had legal counsel sat right in front of him. Like, yeah, you can't say that. No. Dumb. It just goes to show how stupid COVID was, right? The I want to have a beer, guys. With nobody. I'm just gonna end the stream if no one even gives me $1. Roaring kitty, roaring cuck. Yeah. But anyway, if we want to have a look at some charts, let's have a look. Agreed, COVID was weird. Wish I got into crypto back then. I mean, I was in crypto since 2017, and COVID was wild. It was very good fun. It was very good fun. But I still think 2017. So look at I've got this thing basically, and it will track when I do exercise, and it's detected within the last hour. It says rucking detected. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, I need to put this in front of my face so you can see it. It says rucking detected on my what? Now, rucking. It says slash hiking. So obviously it thinks I've been hiking. I literally just went out to buy beer and to buy these so I could do the stream. And it thinks I went on a hike. You still think 2017 you were going to say something? Oh yeah, 2017 was much more fun than COVID times. But yeah. Hasta la vista, Barbie. Good German beer. It's not a German beer. I've got a Japanese beer. Japanese beer today. Nobody's got a super chat. I'm just going to end the stream. I'm going to end this stream. I wanted just to pop on to do something else and maybe some people join in. But clearly no one's in the mood today. I'm going to get stopped out on this. Surely. But at least I am in the money on my Bitcoin short. Um, no USDT. I lost all my super chat. Kitty went live. What you doing, man? USDT. I don't know how super chat really works. Show your support for Taurus Crypto. You can get super stickers, super chat, membership gifting, super chat. Look, I'm gonna give myself a super chat. You are an idiot! Exclamation mark. Buy and send. I'm sending myself a super chat because you guys can't even be bothered. Watch this. Watch me work for my own work. There. Thanks. Thank you to me for supporting my stream. Thank you, Taurus Crypto, for supporting the stream. I am aware that I am an idiot, but I am an idiot that's about to take profit on this Bitcoin short. And other than that, I'm going to have another beer. Sound effects for super chats. I normally do. I got sound effects for subscribers, but not for super chats. Am I getting away with it still on Ethereum? I am. ETH might just save my ass right now. I mean, if ETH BTC bounces, this was the idea, right? That ETH BTC would bounce. I was expecting Bitcoin would stay range bound, which, I mean, if it does take the lows it is, it's just gone down a little bit lower than I thought it would. The ETH USD pair. I might just get away with this. This could still take the lows, reverse, and if the BTC pair holds up, I might just survive. That might get away with it. We'll see what happens. I've got a hard stop in place. You've seen I've got a hard stop in place, but I might just get away with this. But anyway, regardless, that's looking really good. How are the rest of my positions looking right now? GME. GME crypto, GME real, wrecked. Pepe, nice. Short, looking good, losing. Hey, there we go. Look, see that was a noise, right? But why did it not show up on the screen? That means somebody subscribed, I think. Thank you for subscribing, whoever that was. But that was a noise. You heard the noise. That was a noise. Yeah. Dimension looking a bit sketchy. Tier gains are melting. I mean, tier was very good earlier on. We're going into the weekend, so I think we're okay. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, annoyingly, it hasn't hit that first take profit that we would have liked to have seen. Overall, I think this is opportunity. I really want an entry on stacks. I really would like an entry on stacks. But it kind of ran away from me. Stark still looking good. Rune was something I was looking at. ENA. Alt. What's going on? I think we're set for quite a bullish weekend. Just judging by what we're seeing here. Audi, man. Audi's just a beast. Absolute beast. That's the one that's just... I'm happy with that one. Are there any more charts that people want me to have a look at before I log off and sign out for the weekend? Yeah, see? Lucifer! Thank you! Thank you very much. 20 NOK, don't know what that is. Cheers to you. Pundu USDT. Kalechi, Nunya, learn from Lucifer, Pundu. Because what am I about to do? I'm going to look at Pundu, and I'm not going to look at what you've asked for, because you've not done what I've asked for. Norway. Norwegian krona, or crown, or whatever it is. This looks cool. So, okay, you've got to be mindful of the fact that this has taken these highs on a couple of occasions. And if we look at where that is, have we... you're just above that. So, I mean, you're okay. I would look for a pullback. If this 50 EMA would be a nice line to be looking at. Also, just take this from the lows. It's incredibly flat. There's another subscriber noise. Thank you for whoever just did the subscriber noise. What do you mean? Sorry, drink. That's a subscriber noise. That's not a super chat noise. This drink's gone. Let me get another one. Wait. 1 second. More than 1 second. Mobbing. Lucifer did tip. Delirium. Why are you always on a delay? Whoop. Hello? Okay, yeah. Delirium's always on a delay. I drank when Lucifer tipped. But I will drink again. Because why not? Not German beer. Japanese beer. Kirin. Kirin Ichiban. Yeah! Because you had the roaring kitty. Oh my god, look at my sweaty armpits. Jeez. That's embarrassing, right? Normally I change my top. I've got a phone call. I'm gonna have to answer this in a minute. Yeah. Right, this looks good. I don't know what pundu is. Pundu. It's a panda meme coin. I'm having a phone call. I'm gonna have to wrap this stream up. It's a panda meme coin. It looks kind of good, but I think meme coins are probably more or less done right now. I have a phone call, which is probably kind of important. This is the second time they've called me in the space of 2 minutes. So I'm going to have to wrap this up, answer the phone call, see what's going on, and I'll see you on the next stream. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me this evening. I know it was a bit of a random one. I just watched that Raw and Gitsy stream and I thought it was terrible. So I thought, hey, why not just go live, see how it goes? And yeah. Enjoy your evening. See you on the next